in Legal Congress. The motto, virtue and honor.
নাম জুড়ে সম্পূর্ণতে
Coming on next, St. Edmund School. Flag bearer, Jeremy Sampia. Commander, Nelson Tommy Mitri. Flag bearer, Ryan Singh. Motto, deeds, not words. Next, we have Katie's Corner. Mata Bearer, Dasanmi O Harbudon. Commander, Langbok Maureen. And Flag Bearer, Isaac Kindle. Motto, let your light shine. Coming up next, Divine Savior High Secondary School. Papa Bearer, Ignatius D. Khan. Commander, Banratlam Rinja, Flag Bearer, Andrew Numbry. Motto, light to enlighten.
Flag bearer, Lucy Zerangui, Bonte. The motto, virtue and knowledge. Following Auxilium High Secondary School, we have Holy Child High Secondary School. The Blanca Bearer, Bombay Gloria Rockman. Commander, Bliss Magdalene Simpson. Flag Bearer, Evangeline Clark Hilliard. The motto, always more and always better. Following Molinta, following the Holy Child High Secondary School, we have Step by Step School. The Plaza Bearer, Lavinia Dengo. Commander, Ashika Walba. The Flag Bearer, Serenia Rao. The motto is Rise and Shine. The motto, virtue and knowledge. Following St. Mary's Secondary School, we have the Providence School. Sultana Dengo, Flag Bearer, Commander, Matrini Marbo, and the Flag Bearer, Malvivi Sidner. The motto, every child in need is a messenger from God. Followed by Providence School, we have the St. Mary's LP School. Flag Bearer, Ilawan Kempang Namru. Happy Savet Carlindo, Commander. And the Flag Bearer, Azalia and Kapongo. The motto, virtue and knowledge. Followed behind, we have the Auxilium High Secondary School. The Flag Bearer, Isabella Mary Bobby. Commander,